If you've been running your restoration business for a while, chances are that most of your leads have come through insurance work, referral programs, or vendor relationships. But now you're ready to take control of your own marketing, to actually build a brand that brings in consistent leads on demand. But where do you start? Well, first, let's get something clear. Marketing is a ton of work. It's not something that you can just tack on. You need someone, whether that's you, a team member, or a subcontractor, who owns the strategy and knows how to keep it moving. Because great marketing isn't just ads or posts, it's how your entire business communicates. Every department plays a role. Sales, estimators, your project managers, they all need to understand the who behind the marketing. Who are we talking to? What do they care about? Where do they spend their time online? When you know that, you can start to build the 2 pillars of a real marketing system. 1, organic growth. This is your long game. It's your brand content, your authority, and your visibility. But 2, don't forget about ad-driven growth. This is your accelerator. When your messaging is dialed in, ads help you scale fast. But here's the truth. Neither of these works alone. You need both. Organic builds trust, ads amplify it. In this series, we're going to break down exactly how to do that, step by step. Brightspark Media has partnered with R&R Magazine to help restoration companies in their marketing. Next episode, we'll create your customer avatar, the single most important part of your marketing foundation. I'll see you there.